You can contact me for creating SAP IDES HANA server on your computer or on cloud. I can create it for you on Amazon Web Services. After creating the SAP IDES HANA server, you can give the remote access to your clients from all over the world and you can earn money. This is my website, mail ID and my WhatsApp number. You can contact me over here. This is an SAP IDES ECC6 EHP8 server which I have created for my client. I have created it on Amazon Web Services. You can see over here. Now I am going to start the server and show you. The server is booting up. It will take approx 2 minutes to boot the server. According to your requirement, how many clients will get connected to the server, I can create the server according to that. The status is initializing. We have to wait for some more time. Status check 2 out of 2. Now I am going to connect this server on AWS through remote desktop. This is the SAP IDES ECC6 EHP8 server which I have installed on AWS Amazon Web Services. Now we are going to start the SAP IDES server. Start. Enter the password over here. Now I am going to open the SAP GUI and connect to this IDES server. Let us consider that I am one of the client. So this is my Windows 10 computer. I am connected to the internet. I am the client. So I am going to open my SAP GUI. On the client computer, a connection needs to be created. The connection I have already created. So the client is going to just connect with this connection. Like this, the clients are going to connect to the SAP IDES server present on Amazon Web Services, AWS. So if you want this kind of setup, you can contact me. I will do the complete setup for you. Thanks for watching the video.